In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a social media post in just 5 minutes. First, go to www.canva.com. And next, if you are not signed up yet, next you can just create a free account using your email or you log in using your Google account. And next, you will be landed on this page. And the top row here determines what kind of templates do you want to create. In this tutorial, we will be creating a new Instagram post from blank. So if you click this, it will open a new page like this. But this is just for me as a reference, alright? So if you click on the blank canvas just now on Instagram post, you will be directed to here. And as you can see from the left hand side, there's a lot of template already created for you. You can click whichever you want and then add it from there. Once you click any of it, you can just add it here, however you want to add it. So if you want to create everything from scratch, you need to first of all, drag your image from your desktop to Canva. It will load the image. Once it is uploaded, you can see you can move this template image whichever you want, however you want to scale it. But there's a better way to put image as a background. You can delete this and then you click and drag this image and then it will pop up here. It will auto fill out the background. If you just simply click on it, it will just show as image. But like just now I'm Ctrl Z to undo. If you drag it into the canvas itself, it will show this preview and then you let it go and then it will render the image as a background. And this is how you can quickly drag and drop the image without you're manually resizing everything. It will just fill up the whole canvas here. Alright, next I want to have the text here similar to this. So I can quickly go to the text tab and then I can choose from the template as well. In this tutorial, I'll be using this template to speed up to speed up the process. And once you click it, you not necessarily need to drag it, you can just click it in. Alright, and first of all, I want to rescale it to my heart's desire. And you can see there's a blue line in the middle. It indicates the center, the middle point. If you trying to center everything, you can see there's a horizontal and vertical line. So right now, I just want to scale to align it horizontally, so there's a horizontal line. So I'll place it here. But this blue color doesn't really fit my image, so I want to change the blue font here. So how do I change the font? You highlight the font, you hover here, you can see the text color, and underline it is a blue color. If I highlight this delivery, it is red color. If I highlight everything, I'm going to change every word at once. You just highlight everything, and you can see there's a few combination of words here. You can just click either one, everything will change to the same color. But I want to just change the blue color. I want to keep this red, so I just highlight this blue color, and then I want to use this orange. This is the default orange, so I click on this. Alright, looks nice, but there's still something at edge here that I don't really want. How do I remove it? This is the effect. This is the shadow effect. That's why you click on the text box, this element, and then you click on effects, and there's a various of effects here. You can go for neon if you want those neon effect, glitch effect. Right now, I just want none. I don't want to have any effects. And then here you go. And this is it is done here. And from this example, I have created this as a sample logo. Alright, I just copy and paste here. If you want to put your logo or whatever elements here, you are feel free to do so. So once I put it in and then I resize, put everything nicely, and then I want to put some subheading here because it feels a little bit not enough information. One tip that is to not flirt with information. The second tip is that you need to provide a sufficient information at one glance. So now I want to add a subheading. I just drag this subheading to maybe this place. Alright, now I want to let my customer know that this free delivery only happens on daily, maybe 9 AM to 9 PM. Alright, now let's style this. So you highlight everything, highlight the whole text here, you can just press Ctrl A to highlight everything, and then click on this font, and then you can select whichever font that you want. You can see there's a preview here and the crown, which means that this is only Canva Pro version. There's a lot of different fonts available in Canva. It is very great if you want to design everything here. So I want to use this font, Gargalin. Alright, similarly, you select the whole text, and then you click on this text color, and then you can see different color here. This is the color palette that you have selected in this page. Means that if right now I select this blue, violet, and I select everything again, you can see from this palette, from this page itself, I have this color involved. Now I click away, maybe I click on this red color, and then I click on this visual, this color once again. You see the violet has gone away because it is no longer in this palette itself. It's not in this color scheme itself. Other than that, you can also create more element. You can use some element in your design visual. So you can add different line shapes or whatever visual that you want, frames, grid into this visual itself. So right now I will create this box or this square, and then I want to color it to white. And I want to place it just right behind my text here. And alright, looks good. But unfortunately, my logo is trapped beneath this visual. So how do I position it to uplift my visual? You can click on this position and to bring forward. Or if you want to right click, also no problem. You can right click and then to bring forward or bring backward as you like. So you can position whatever visual you want on top of one another, and then most importantly, you click download. That's the final and last steps, and there you go, you are done. You are done designing this social media post in just a short 5 minutes. So if you do like this content and you would like to learn more about Canva, how to use some tips and tricks to speed up your production and to enhance your design, feel free to follow my journey in this Canva hacks. So remember to like, subscribe and share with your friends and colleagues. So thank you very much. See you next time.